Friends, in this video I am going to share with you how to create or how to add background music into presentation, especially in Canva. So for that you have to log in into your Canva account. As you say, once you log in into your Canva account, you have to go here and search presentation. It can be a educational, PowerPoint, it can be anything. So like that you can see there are more than 20,000 templates from Canva. So how you can create a background music in this? You can choose anyone. Either you go with free one, as you can see over here, this is not a sign of crown, that means it's a free, or you can go with this the paid, that means a premium designs also. For in my this case I am going with this premium, that is, now I have to just click on this, customize this template. Now it will open all the designs into my dashboard. After that, let's suppose this is my presentation and I am going to make a presentation for real estate. Then let's suppose, okay, just for the example point of view, real estate tips. Okay, so let's suppose it can be anything. You can add music as much as in any slide or a one slide, but in this case let me suppose give an example how to add music. As you can see on your left side, here is the options available. You can either upload or you can either add music. Now we are just creating audio. In this case you have to create like this. You can see this is audio. Now you have to click on this. Now this bar has been opened on your left side. Now there are many music you can see over here. You can choose as per your industry or topic. So as you can see, if you want something related to happy, you can see all here, and all these you can see the music's background you will find. There are two options you can see. This is if you have this crown, that means this is a paid or premium, and these are the free one. You can go anyone. So let's suppose I would choose anyone. Let's suppose something epic. You can go with this one: piano, instrumental, vocal, ambient, sad, anything you have related, you can go with. So let's suppose I want to make some real estate, so I can search real estate also, real estate. Okay, so you can choose any one of these. So in this case, let's suppose I am taking this one and I add to my dashboard. Okay, that means my this editing area. So just you have to click on that, it will automatically add into your background. Now once you will run the video or the presentation, it will run entire your screen because it is up to here. Let's suppose you want to change the video and you want to change the background music also. For that, what you have to do, just click and just drag up to over this presentation. So let's suppose I want to add something else. Now I will go with this one, and I will add and just put over here. Okay, now you can see once this first video finished, now my second audio background music will be run. So in this case also, let's suppose I want to take up to this one, I can just drag it up to here. Friends, it's up to you how much long you want to show or edit, or you can make your background audio or music into your presentation. I hope this video tutorial help you to how to add background music into a Canva. It doesn't matter what type of presentation you are making, what industry or business you are making. If you are still any doubt, you can ask me, I will guide you. Thank you, my friends.